हेलो एंड वेलकम टू माय येलो टेबल। एक जमाना था जब रेसिपीज दादी माँ से पूछ पूछ के लोग बनाते थे, फिर दादी माँ से बेटी, बेटी से बहू और इस तरीके से आगे जाती थी। उसके बाद आई किताबें और उसके बाद डिजिटल स्पेस, और डिजिटल स्पेस के साथ साथ एक बहुत ही अलग तरीके की कम्युनिटी सामने आई, फूड कम्युनिटी, यानी कि फूड ब्लॉगर्स। और फूड ब्लॉगर्स ने जो कंट्रीब्यूशन दिया है इस पूरी फूड इंडस्ट्री को, वो बहुत बड़ा है। आज की जो हमारी गेस्ट है वो एक बहुत ही प्रोमिनेंट फूड ब्लॉगर है, साथ ही साथ वो रेडियो जॉकी भी रह चुकी हैं और आजकल फूड स्टाइलिंग भी करती हैं। कुल मिला के गाना और खाना, ये उनके शौक है।
Hello, chef.
Hello, Jay.
How are you?
Very nice. You dressed up all in red, huh?
Yeah.
And I like your shades.
Thank you. I'm obsessed with specs.
Sorry, I'm not looking into your eyes. I'm trying to look through your frame. It's nice floral.
Yes. Yes, I have about 21 specs.
21.
Yeah.
ये जीरो नंबर है या नंबर है?
Number है, proper number है.
अच्छा, नंबर
Yeah,
है.
I'm like practically blind without them.
Okay.
Achha, by the way, I've got a little gift for you from my kitchen.
That's so sweet. What's your kitchen?
So I make these really cute things for my blog shop, Life Ki Recipe.
Wow,
so there's
that's a
salted
beautiful
caramel.
bottle.
Yeah, thank you.
So that's a caramel.
And that's a savory jam which you'd really like, yeah.
Wow. And you do that at home?
Yes, I do it at home.
Beautiful.
Yeah, thank you.
ये खाने बनाने का शौक कहाँ से चढ़ा आपको?
It's been 5 years actually. Honestly,
Uh-huh.
before that, I never cooked. I was
Okay.
a radio jockey and I was very busy in my life. My husband is a DJ, so we used to have a lot of house parties.
So you were a RJ, your husband is a DJ.
Yeah.
बच्चे?
And so basically, no, not yet.
अच्छा.
But we basically party for living. और हमारे घर पे इतनी parties होती थी, and that's when I started experimenting with food.
Uh-huh.
And turns out that I was practically good at it. So I was like, yay, let's do this.
Fantastic. So what is it about food that excites you so much?
You know that whole feeling about creating something by yourself?
Yeah.
And especially when somebody tries this and emotion that you put in the food while making it, it kind of reflects back while they're eating it. If you're happy and you're making something with love, they give that love back to you with, you know, with their probably a thank you or, you know, with that just smile that they have. So I love cooking. So more than eating, I really like cooking.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay. So with that thought, let's move on towards the menu today. Parmesan crusted grilled fish, fruit chaat, corn pudding, and tamar hind.
Are we doing something with the cheese?
Well, I could do something. We've got some bread and we've got some cheese. I can do a nice chili cheese toast. Would you like
that'd
to?
be great. Yes, yes.
You know how to make chili cheese toast?
Of course.
Done. Then
let's
we've
do
got
it.
some interesting toppings. Let's do that. You have a good handwriting.
Yeah, okay.
So let's begin with the corn pudding.
Okay.
Corn pudding is nothing but corn and milk together. Corn की मूंछ हटा देंगे. So I'm just going to cut it in between and we'll just scrape the corn. Nice and easy. All right, we've got some scraped corn.
Okay.
I'm adding some milk and we'll just blend it. All right, so this is done. Okay. Can you just pour it? Ramlal ji, Ramlal, tu सीधा चल पे. I just strain it ताकि इसका जो ये रस निकला है, जिसके अंदर कॉर्न का सारा असर है, वो मिल्क के अंदर आ जाए और उसके जो शेल है वो अलग हो जाए. Alright, so it's heating up. So सबसे पहले हम थोड़ा मिल्क डालेंगे. थोड़ा क्या, काफी डालेंगे क्योंकि मिल्क बेस्ड डेजर्ट है ये. इसके अंदर हम लोग डालेंगे cinnamon. 2 is enough. We can add some sugar now. Now, जैसे बॉईल होगा, we'll add some of this.
Okay.
It depends कि कितना डालना है.
Okay.
It depends upon the strength of the corn. So we'll add a little. We'll see. Needs to thicken up. So it almost becomes like a nice custard. So इसको भी यहाँ रखते. Let's chop some fruits. Let's do the fruit chop. But before we chop the fruits, let's actually make the marinade.
For the fruit chop?
Yeah. All right.
You want ketchup?
Yeah.
Here you go.
I've got some chili sauce.
Oh, fruits and spicy. Nice.
You like spicy?
I love spicy.
Panju.
Yeah.
आगे गोल गोल इसमें डालेंगे हम थोड़ी अदरक लहसुन पेस्ट.
There you go.
I'll add some lemon. Can you add some black salt? काला नमक. You've got some भुना हुआ जीरा. हल्का सा कूट लेंगे इसे. Okay. So इसके अंदर डालेंगे थोड़ी सी वूस्टर सॉस.
Okay.
ये बन गया हमारे फ्रूट्स का मैरिनेट. फ्रूट्स को इसमें मैरिनेट करके we'll skewer and then we'll grill.
Oh, nice.
And later on, serve this sauce also on the side as a dipping sauce. Now, let's come towards
The corn pudding.
the corn pudding. Okay, if you can just pour this slowly as I mix this. हल्का हल्का, हल्का जी, हल्का हल्का, होले होले.
Like a slow motion life.
Yes. रुक जाओ जी, एक बॉयल आ जाता है, फिर देखते हैं क्या कहानी
Then
है
we'll add
इसकी.
more. Oh, that cinnamon का smell आने लग गया. Right?
Nice and subtle, but nicely done. Add some more. You see, the milk has started thickening.
Yeah.
So we'll allow it to cook. Okay, इसको हल्की आंच पे रख के we'll just cook it so that corn भी
थोड़ा
पक जाए.
Okay.
Moving on, let's get the pitara fruits. Okay,
Lovely.
these are quite a lot of fruits.
Yeah.
Let's start with pineapple.
Lovely.
Pineapple बहुत अच्छा जाता है इसके साथ. Excellent. All right, so the pineapple is the most delicious fruit that goes with this chart.
And I'm amazed by your pineapple cutting skills. It intimidates me.
All right, it is thickening up.
Do you want me to scrape on the sides?
Yeah, why not? If you can.
Yeah.
In the meantime, we've got some star fruits. You like star fruits?
I love star fruit. Yeah.
They look really pretty.
They should come all year round.
They look so pretty.
Any other fruit?
Yeah, we've got amrud.
Oh,
We'll try and avoid
the seeds.
the seeds.
So we had an amrud पेड़ like neighbors का.
Uh-huh.
इसमें से हमने इतने चुरा के खाए हैं.
Where was this, Indore?
Yeah.
I know, I understand the spirit and the
Yeah.
fun behind it.
Yeah.
The adrenaline rush that comes. Ooh, कोई
Totally.
देखना नहीं. Fun. Total fun. All right, we've got some apples. So I'm cutting quarters of the apple. Good sizes. What else? Watermelon? Not
Watermelon.
really.
Watermelon.
Watermelon?
Yeah.
Chalo, watermelon.
Mustard.
We'll try and cut it into slices. All right, so we've got a raw mango, which is not very sour. Got the mango. Now we'll skewer them, but एक skewer पे एक ही तरीके का fruit. So, do you want to
Yeah. Start with the start.
start के साथ start
Start with the start.
start with the start?
Start with the start.
This, we've got this. Beautiful. So, we need to add some butter.
Butter makes everything better.
All right, so we put this onto the slow flame. All right, now what we do is we take a pan, like a grill pan,
Okay.
and we just heat it up. We've got the skewers, we've got the marinade, we have the pan ready. Simple math.
Okay.
So थोड़ा सा oil लेके we'll just brush it onto the pan so that it doesn't stick. We can use some butter or oil.
Always the butter.
हल्का सा. Just a little. You need to just dip them and then start placing them. There's no hurry to crowd the
Right.
grill. Easy. Now the sugars from the ketchup would caramelize and give them the grill marks a little bit here and there. Also what it'll do is it'll just tenderize the fruit a bit, but at the same time retain the crunch.
Yeah.
And just a little bit of heat onto this particular marinade with the ginger and garlic paste, just slightly getting a little more active and a little more rounded flavors. So that's about it. You don't have to cook. You just need to warm it up in a way. All right. So can I have the brush?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, what's that on your hand?
This is a pizza tattoo.
A pizza tattoo. It's a vegetarian mushroom,
Yeah.
capsicum, tomatoes, thick crust, bursting cheese,
Yeah.
pizza slice. So
Yeah,
this is like a nice little tattoo. Who gets a pizza done? Why is that?
I love pizza so much. Like I'm married to pizza. I love pizza basically.
I've never met a pizza fan. I've met foodies.
If you had to have a tattoo, what tattoo would it be?
I don't know. Something to do with my son, maybe. All right, so we'll just pour this out as an extra dipping sauce. All right, so without wasting any more time, let's just take this to the yellow table. This is ready. So we've got the fruit chart, we've got the dipping sauce. All right, now हमारी जो ये pudding है, corn pudding, and we'll just whisk it nicely so that if there are any lumps, they just go. Okay, so all we need to do is pour this beautiful corn pudding.
Wow. Such a pretty colorful.
Look at the yellow color.
Yeah.
It's all natural.
Yeah.
All right, we've got some cinnamon powder here. That's it. If you can place it onto the yellow table.
Yeah.
Now, we guys should take a little break.
Okay.
And once you guys come back from the break, me and Amrita, we're going to finish that menu.
Lovely.
Right? Go, take a break.